This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to connect Slack to your Claude account. So I'm logged into my Claude account. You need to be as well. You can see it says Happy Friday Matthew right here. So whether you have a brand new message thread right here or you have a message thread with lots of different messages right here, it doesn't matter. You are going to click on the bottom left on this plus icon right here. We'll come halfway down to connectors. And as we hover over, you'll see the different apps that are currently connected on your Claude account, if you already have any. So we've got Canva right here, we've got Notion, also at the top right here, but we are adding a new one. We're going to add Slack. So we click on Add Connector, and just like that, this pop-up opens here. So these are all of the connectors, aka plugins or tools, apps that you can add to your Canva, not your Canva, I just saw Canva there, that you can add to your Claude to make it more useful. So as you scroll down, you'll see that we see Slack right here. It's currently the number 9 most popular. If for some reason you don't see Canva as you scroll down, you can literally just type in here, and you can type in there to search for Slack, and Slack will be present at the top right here. So then we just click on Slack. Super simple, gives you a little blurb on what's actually going to happen with this integration. It will allow you to essentially, as you see in some of these screenshots, communicate with Slack directly from your Claude. So you get it to set up different things that you might not be able to necessarily do yourself. Rather than figuring out exactly how to do it, you can just type into Claude in human language to actually set something up. So it might be a tricky integration or something that you're doing within Slack. So what we're going to do to actually connect is we click on this connect button in the top right. That will then grant access. You will then sign into your Slack directly from here. I won't go through that full step. That is the final step. You'll just literally sign into Slack, and that will be connected. You'll be able to then start prompting directly in Claude and communicate with your Slack. So hopefully you found this video on how to connect Slack to your Claude account useful. If you found it helpful, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.